Yenina ye pedeye ye boga. So yenine mahasilia. No di kan kope libya. Nala fura me de kwana da wanti. Make I gather money, make I sell my shops and my things. Membiro. Mina magades, mina mbire desert. Mina mana masaba. Ewana yankwe beshi emo. Yanko jiji minza menina. Yanko ni mikofi ana. Yanko simonchano. Yanko amebi emo. Yanko ko. Mijina wasuma unipo. Rumi gudere sensa. Ujina wa muhopia. So I'm done with this, my special recipe. Waiting man do man, where man won't kill man. Okay, so waiting man do man, where man won't kill man. Hey, he has a compa, cano qualify me. Cano qualify. This song I'm singing is talk about two best friends who one traveled to abroad and called another one, the other friend, to come. So the one in abroad told the one in down that save money and keep them. I'm coming to take you to abroad. So the one who is not in abroad sold all his properties so that he can also go to abroad. So when a time came that this friend has gotten money, he called the one in abroad and told him that I have gotten money. So the one in abroad invites the one in down. So when he went to abroad, the friend take all his friend money, everything, and ran away. So he betrayed his friend. So it's about how two best friends betrayed one. See that there are some people you are not to be trusted. So after the suffering, his friend did to get money, he sold all his property. He ended up betrayed. Where man won't kill man, waiting man do man, where man won't kill man. Hey, yes, he come back. Cano qualify chillame, cano qualify chillame. Now when bumper fence to be from me. When the one in abroad went to meet his friend, even water, the one in abroad didn't give it to the friend, but rather take away his friend money, everything, and ran away. So it's how a best friend, one betray one. So I have finished this first set. This is for my techie friend. Yes, so my techie friend. And when bumper fence to be family, fence to be fashion. Let me see them. My chicken is